Welcome Outlook integration. Manage visitors with a Welcome Outlook integration. And this is how it works. You plan your meeting in Outlook as usual and manage your visitors with the integrated Welcome Outlook add-in. First, select the date. Give your event a name. Invite the participants and enter the appropriate time slot and location. Now click on the Outlook add-in. All the appointment information is conveniently transferred. You can also check and add visitor-relevant information in the Welcome Outlook add-in. Activate the fields, send welcome invitation, and manage with welcome. In the Dynamic Fields area, you can enter the vehicle license plate number and a note. Assign a parking space to the visitor and select the cost center and type of catering. Once you have filled in all the fields, click on Save and Send. This gives you a transparent overview of all appointments, without media discontinuity. The appointment data entered in Outlook and the options for the visitors are automatically transferred to Welcome. Welcome takes over further control. We wish you successful meetings.